pagiging apostol ng ating Chief Executive Minister. Sapagkat as long as we prove that he is the appointed successor of our late Apostle Arsenio Tanperiol, our faith becomes steadfast. Lalo pong nagiging matibay ang ating pananampalataya. You know, because without proving that he is an apostle, he is the appointed successor of our late Apostle Arsenio Tanperiol, ito po ay lalong nagpapatibay sa ating pananampalataya. Because as one of our major doctrines, that the true church, bear it in our mind, beloved, that the true church, one of the characteristic of the true church is under the leadership of a living apostle. If there's no living apostle in our church today, how can we prove that we are the true church? And how we continue the legacy of our late apostle?